Hello everyone, my name is Nathaniel Mander and I'm a harpsichord player. I'm based here in London and I travel all around the world sharing this lovely repertoire of harpsichord music. We recently put together a brand new course exploring the early English Elizabethan repertoire. Composers perhaps you're less familiar with, Orlando Gibbons, Thomas Tomkins, or more well known, William Byrd, the grandfather of this great tradition. In this 16-part series, I'll be taking you through a new piece each week, and I'll take you by the hand and we'll go through all the matters of touch and technique to help you really get to grips with this wonderful style. And even if you're not a musician or a player yourself, there's a lot to be gained from delving into this lovely repertoire. I'm so excited to release this new course on my website, nathanielmander.com, where you can access the entire course or just dip in and take a few lessons. I really look forward to sharing this music with you soon.